everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Today, I'm going to be working on a pour and I've got some beautiful colors and I can't wait to see what happens. Okay, so the canvas is so big, I hope you can see the whole thing. And I've mixed up my colors. You know, the hardest thing for me is to actually pick my colors sometimes. Anyway, I will show you exactly the colors that I used in the end. Oh my goodness, here's the painting. Wow, look at that. It is So beautiful. Now I did have a bit of a mishap here. Where is it? Right here. But I'll fix that. There was a bit of a glob of paint there, but that's not a problem. But look at the detail here. Oh, it's just beautiful. There's some cells forming, and the lacing on here is incredible. That gold really pops. Look at the shine. You can see the shimmer there. Look at that. Oh, I love this section. And I will be doing some more to it. This just has to dry. Just a little bit more, I think. I'm gonna have to live with it for a little bit just to see what I think, if it needs to improve even more. But look at that. Wow, I love it. That I used. I have been experimenting with house paints, and this is a bear, and this is called the Real Teal. This is my favorite Deco Art 24 karat gold, gold ship from Valspar, pardon me, and that's Dark Iris, which is that color there. And I did use Floetrol and water and a strainer, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.